Hey guys, oh man, look what my cat's dragged in. Well, if they want to eat, they gotta drag me in at least long enough to dish them out some food. Needless to say, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 1974 Pontiac Grand Prix. It's from Troy in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Thank you so much, Troy, for your business all the way from Louisiana. This customer has requested the modern internal FM conversion, and he specifically asked me to make it badass, which the conversion does because it raises the output power quite a bit. So let's go ahead and I've got it set to FM at the moment. I have all the this is needless to say, this is an AM-8 track. Now it has FM, and so I've got all the buttons preset to FM stations in my area, so we can run through them real quick, and I don't need to have the songs last long enough to get nailed for copyright infringement. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Barry's 8-Track Repair. Beautiful music. I've been wanting to do that for a long time. Okay, let's go through the presets.
And here I am, I would wish for a star. My soul, I probably shouldn't.
Okay, let's go to AM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. Off, on. Okay, now we're on AM, and we might pick up a couple weak stations on this end of the dial, but we generally only get one kind of strong station about the center.
Hold on, Tom, what do you say?
Okay, there's our strong AM station. And while we're on talk radio, I'll go ahead and demonstrate the virtual balance and fader. The original front-rear fader, most of them no longer work due to their self-destructive design. So now we can use a tone control to adjust both our left-right balance and our front-rear speaker balance. So let's go ahead and activate the front-rear fader. We'll do that by giving our tone control 2 turns to the right. So the first thing I'll do is turn it to the center, so I've got room to rotate it to the right.
So where's the choice?
Okay, now let's bring our output level meters in the picture. We can see the results of our adjustments. Going to activate our virtual front rear fader.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. All the way front, all the way rear.
We don't have a choice.
All front, all rear. Okay, I'm going to center it, stop adjusting it, and then fader set. Okay, now let's activate the left-right balance control. Same procedure, except we turn our tone control twice to the left to activate that. So let's try that.
Balance adjust.
Balance adjust. Okay, so now the same control, adjusting our left-right balance. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to center them. I'll stop adjusting it, and
balance set.
Balance is set. Okay, let's go back to, we've already demonstrated the FM and AM. Let's go ahead and demonstrate the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka on deck here. Let's pop in some Neil.
We do not, we're not immortal.
Okay, going to switch tracks a bunch of times.
We never say goodbye. It's worth the living, so get your kick. Got a one-way, honey, won't you take your life? With a hunter to my friend. Gonna stay at Heartbreak Hotel.
Just make sure we still have both speakers. Wrong deal. There, that's a little better. Okay, let's hit the eject button.
And
Pops tape out. Radio comes right back.
I'm getting paid.
Okay, let's go back to FM just for fun. Just make sure it goes back to FM. And there's our FM. So that completes the test. Everything's working fine. She's ready to go back to the customer. Thank you so much, Troy, for your business from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And thank you guys for watching and listening. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio here. And you've just seen me add FM to an old classic AM 8-track radio unit. Thank you so much for watching and listening. My website's in the description below. My phone number for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. Don't call this number. Wasting my time looking for belts, parts, advice, nothing like that. The only services I offer is send it in and I'll fix it. I don't offer any services for the do-it-yourselfer. I apologize for that. There's just no time or parts available for that. Thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. See you next time.